Offloading apps is a great way to free up space because it deletes the app itself but keeps all your personal data, login info, and documents safe. If you ever reinstall the app, you pick up right where you left off. You can either do this manually for specific apps or set your iPhone to do it automatically when you run low on space. Follow these steps. Open iPhone storage settings. Under 1 minute, open the Settings app, tap General, and then select iPhone Storage. Select the app you want to offload. Scroll down to see a list of your apps. Tap on the app that is taking up too much room. Tap Offload App. Confirm selection. Tap the blue Offload App text, then tap it again on the pop-up confirmation. Once offloaded, you'll notice a small cloud download icon next to the app's name on your home screen. To bring it back, just tap the icon, and it will re-download with your data intact.